727.21 GOOG blew the earnings out of the ballpark, and that it did. The stock spiked right here in after hours, my friends, to 28.19 and is currently trading down all the way down there to 26.86, a big slam in that hourly chart. Right here, the stock is currently trading down $50 and going lower. So, once again, the GOOG beat earnings as well, but is down substantially. GOOGL, the live video is right there. It beat earnings substantially. Once again, our biggest thing about the two is they're both great. Once again, turbooptiontrading.com. Yes, this is your website where you can do all of your homework. You can do all your homework on the earnings, stock plays, breakouts, call options, put options. You can load more symbols. It's a very nice put together for people like you that want something great, want something simple. You can come back to the site. They'll be uploading it all day long. When something new hits, it's right there. And we have plenty of things to offer you, and that we do. So, once again, this stock is down considerably, but let us not forget that going into the quarterly earnings, my friends, after 35 years, um, the bar or expectations, rather, were extremely high, and they were. We all know that Apple is getting cremated in after hours, down 6.5. Microsoft was down 12 from their earnings. Oh yeah, now the GOOGL, Google itself, is up $41. Okay, but the GOOG is down $50. So the thing of it is, it's not. It's like the last quarter. They beat. The numbers were good in Apple, extremely good, but they're down big. Microsoft, great beat, but it's down right now. Well, down 12. Now it's only down $10.50. And this one is down 50 on the GOOG. Let us develop that relationship with you. We put everything together to help you. Yes, we have. And you know what? It'll be a long, multi-year relationship. And we'll power you. And we'll take you. Just sign up for the free 5-day trial. That's all you got to do.